know now a lot of schools are accepting the GRE. I believe it's GRE, as well as the LSAT. Do you think, why do you think that they're accepting the GRE, and do you think that's going to overall take over at some point?
That's a great question. I think they're taking the GRE for a couple of reasons. One of them is that the GRE is offered much more frequently than the LSAT is. It's been offered digitally for quite a while now, and it's offered virtually every weekday. And so it's very easy for students to take it. And a lot of students have taken it already if they were considering another graduate program, like going for a master's or a PhD or an MBA. And so the bar is lower for law school applications if you already have taken the exam that you need to take, versus learning a totally new exam that is honestly a bit more scary in some ways. That's one part. The other thing is that there's been a recent significant decline in the number of people applying to law school. It peaked during the recession, and now it's falling a little bit. And so because fewer people are applying, but there are just as many law schools as there were before and just as much administrative overhead, they want to get those applicants, they want those tuition dollars. And so they're looking to get more applicants however they can. The GRE is part of that, but it has not spread that much. Although a lot of schools are now taking the GRE and more are taking it all the time, they're typically taking less than 5% of students with the GRE. So it's not a large percentage of those who are actually going to law school. Do I think it'll grow over time? Maybe, but law schools do want to see that you can do the work. And the LSAT has a stronger demonstrated correlation with first-year law school grades than the GRE does. The GRE, nobody really knows what it's testing. It's got vocabulary, it's got math, but how does that relate to law? The LSAT, it has that critical reasoning built into it. And that reading comp we were talking about, that is way harder than the GRE reading comp and much more like what you're